And action. You shouldn't see my face. That was so pointless.
And you're like, and action. Do it.
Let me see it. I'm gonna like slide it over. You're like, and action. Ready? Come on, Ollie, ready? Okay, ready? Hold on. And action. You're so retarded. I'm waiting for Cece to come in the background.
Oh, there's a man with a crew cut who keeps stalking us. Brittany, don't look now, but
I know. I got her in a little bit. I'm waiting for her.
Where's Cece?
I'm waiting for Cece to come out. Come on. What's he doing? Taking a shit?
I win.
Well, I think he's coming. Oh,
Make it like that. Yeah. Look at Marsha's gonna come like.
I know. It's like dun dun dun, like in a movie.
Hey.
Hey boy, hey.
Hey Cece, hey. If that falls in there.
That suck. Hold on something.
Anyways,
What are we doing after this?
we're going to your house.
Alex sticker bike.
Sticker bike.
What am I gonna put him in? Like a garbage bag?
That'd be so good because it's like, here's your trash, and like put it on his doorstep, like light on fire, and they come out in like boots. It's like,
What? Fire extinguisher? are?
no, like, cause you know how like they come out like in the movies and they're like, here's the door. They like open the door and they're like, huh, what? And they're like, oh, it's on fire, and they're like, like in their like gross like boots, and then.
Oh god, that poor man. Brittany, we have to leave now.
Okay.
Say bye.